Back in high school, there used to be a lot of girls, usually the most, confident, the most out there kind of girls, always went for the dance clubs or any sort of extracurricular, but dance was dominantly one of the most respected clubs in high school, and I didn't have that confidence back then actually. I've always felt, a little shy, and I've always been stuck in my box. But when I came to university and I've heard about the dance club, I had a friend, she wanted to go to the dance club as well, and she's like, oh, you should come with me. So I joined the dance club, and at first I thought, maybe dancing wasn't for me, maybe after all these years, I'm just definitely not it. But throughout these 3 years of university, 4 years, I realized that dance was definitely one of the things that I wanted to learn more, to grow more, and because of that club, because of dancing, I've become a completely different person. I've changed my perspective of things, of talking with people. I became more social. I became more out there, more confident in myself. I felt comfortable in my own skin because of dance, and it's just amazing, Dance is definitely one of the things that can help you, not just, moving your body a better way or looking cool in parties. No, I feel like it's more of a social activity and about self-growth. It's about exploring yourself further in ways that you never knew before. Dance is so intricate. The music and the body, the rhythm, everything, it just comes together so nicely. It just changes the person that you are. And if you are shy, and if these things are something you're afraid of going to try to explore, dance is definitely nice, and it's always great to have someone to come with you as well. Friends, it helps as well.